Next topic natin and our last topic for today is called as derivative of inverse hyperbolic function. So, it is called as inverse hyperbolic function for the reason that, for example, natin normal, no, trigonometric. No? For example, sine x. Now, that is a trigonometric function. At tinawag nating hyperbolic if merong h. Tatawagin natin inverse if merong negative 1. Diba? So, this is just the same if arc, diba? Sabi ko na arc or negative 1 is same. Arc sine hyperbolic of x. So, therefore, inverse hyperbolic, no, combination within the two. Okay? Ang gagawin po natin dito is memorize the formula. Ayan, another set of formula po tayo. As you can see, no, h, then negative 1. Again, same lang po sila sa d over dx, arc, sine, hyperbolic. Again, inuulit-ulit ko yan kasi baka sa exam or sa quiz, makakita kayo ng arc. Sir, wala naman yan sa topic natin. Walang arc sa topic. Same lang yan. Negative 1 or arc. That is just a representation na inverse. Yung ating trigonometric function. So, explore natin. Diba? Sin h negative 1 is u prime over the square root of u squared plus 1. Okay, so, i-compare natin sa formula natin kanina. Diba? Compare natin d over dx. Yung inverse lang siya. Inverse trigonometric function. So, sin negative 1, walang h, u. What is the formula for that one? That is u prime over 1 minus u squared. So, therefore, ang difference lang nila is nag-switch, di ba? Naging u squared plus 1 si sine. Dito is 1 minus u squared. Diba? That is just a matter of formula. So, just memorize the formula. Tingnan mo lang if hyperbolic inverse siya, inverse hyperbolic, or hyperbolic lang, or trigonometric lang talaga. Okay? So, if memorize mo si sine hyperbolic or inverse hyperbolic of sine, ang gagawin mo lang po sa cosine is change mo lang to into negative. So, magiging u prime over square root of u squared minus 1. No? So, this is the difference between the two. Katapos po, sa second tayo. Diba? Second, compare natin kanina. I think kanina is, meron lang yung ito is positive. I-compare natin kay second, negative 1 of u. Diba? That is just u prime over absolute value of u, then square root of u squared minus 1. Yung kanina na topic, ito yung formula. Pero ngayon, naging negative siya. Then sa baba is wala na tayong absolute value. So wala siyang absolute value. Then dito is nag-change siya. U squared minus 1. So if memorize mo si second, ang gagawin mo lang po kay cosecond is gagawin mong positive. And then lalagyan mo dito ng absolute value. Yes po, dito is walang absolute value, dito is meron. Hindi yan typo error. Wala talaga siyang absolute value if cosecond. Okay? So, how about sa ating tangent? So, sa tangent natin, same, wala tayong square root sa baba. If i-compare natin kanina, yung ating formula is equivalent to u prime over 1 plus u squared. So, kanina, positive. Pag inverse hyperbolic na tayo, magiging negative lang siya. And then, i-compare natin kay cotangent, the same lang sila ng formula. U prime over 1 plus u squared. Okay, so screenshot po or pakisulat. Okay, so proceed po tayo sa ating examples. We have 3 examples for this one. No, 3 example lang kasi same lang naman sila. Yung sign lang yung nag-iiba. Okay, so raise hand po. What is the formula for arc sine hyperbolic? That is u squared over the square root of u squared, u prime pala, is over the square root of u squared plus 1. What is our u?
X.
Yes, thank you. Then, raise ulit, what is our u prime? 2. So, ang gagawin lang po natin is substitute sa formula natin, 'di ba? So, u squared natin is 2x squared then plus 1. Reminders, pag squared, dapat silang lahat yung u yung may squared. Kasi pag si 2x lang yung may squared, si x. So, that is wrong. Okay? So, therefore, magiging 2 divided by the square root of 4x squared plus 1. Okay? So, that is our final answer. Ayan. So, proceed tayo. Ayan, that is our final answer. So, letter B po tayo. Eto, tangent h. So, reason po, what is the formula? Ayan, so u prime over 1 minus u squared. Determine natin si u tsaka si u prime. Okay, so u is equivalent to x cubed. Then, yung ating u equivalent to 3x cubed. Okay, so therefore, substitute lang po natin sa ating formula. Diba? So that is 3x squared divided by nung ating 1 minus ang u squared natin is x cubed. So, x cubed then squared. Diba? So, in simplifying, diba, lagay natin x raised to a multiplied by x multiplied by b. No, may open and close parenthesis. So, sa algebra, paano po yan gawin? Magiging x raised to a multiplied by b. Diba? Pag x a multiplied by xb, that is xa plus b. So, that is the difference between the two. Okay? So, therefore, proceed tayo. Okay? So, 3x squared divided by 1 minus, this is 3 times 2, magiging x raised to 6. Okay. So, that is our final answer. We are down to our last example. So, our last example is this one, letter C. That is the derivative of secant. Yes, raise hand. What is the formula for this one? Yung inverse niya. Secant hyperbolic 1 minus u squared. This is our formula. So, ang gagawin natin is to determine our u. Raise hand po. What is our u here? 2x minus 1. What is our u prime? So, 2. That is correct. So, therefore, meron tayong u tsaka u prime. So, ang gagawin natin is to distribute sa ating formula. Negative, u prime po natin is 2. Then, divided by, u natin is 2x minus 1. Then, square root of 1 minus u squared natin is 2x minus 1 squared. Ayan, so medyo complicated to kasi meron tayong, so eto, simplify natin, take note na merong squared. Ang squared natin is a polynomial, so therefore gagamitan natin yung FOIL method. FOIL. So that is equivalent to negative 2. Then, this is 2x minus 1. Then the square root of 1 minus 2x minus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 1. Diba? Kasi ma-expand siya. Dalawa. So, therefore, FOIL method natin siya. Gagawin natin dito is, FOIL method first. Diba? 2x times 2x. I-rewrite ko muna, class. 2x minus 1. Then, ito is square root. 1 minus. So, lagyan natin ng open parenthesis kasi negative yung nasa outside. So, parang i-operate muna natin siya sa inside. Kumbaga. So, focus muna tayo dito. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Then, that is first. Then, O natin is outside. 2x times negative 1, that is negative 2x. Then, inside, that is negative 2x. Pagkatapos, negative 1 times negative 1, that is positive 1. So, that is simply FOIL method, class. Ito, multiplied, dito din, ito, and ito. Okay, so ito po siya na-expand. So therefore, i-distribute natin yung negative kasi negative yung outside natin. So therefore, that is negative 2 divided by ng ating 2x minus 1. Then, square root po ng ating 1 minus, eto, magiging negative 4x. Diba? Pero meron tayong negative dito, so magiging negative pa din siya. Positive, diba? 4x squared. Then, eto, magiging positive 4x minus 1. Raise hand, everyone. Nakakasunod ba? Kasi dinistribute natin yung negative dito. So, therefore, na-alter yung kanilang mga sign. No? So, therefore, isolve mo lang ulit if medyo mahirap tingnan. Okay? So, therefore, simplify natin 1 minus 1. So, cancel out. Diba? So, therefore, ang answer natin dito is negative 2 over 2x minus 1. Then, the square root of negative 4x squared plus 4x. So, pwede na yan siya na final answer. Yan. Pwede din, no? We can factor out our 2 here inside for the reason that ma-factor out din siya. So, ang gagawin po natin is negative 2, then divided by 2x minus 1. Ang gagawin natin is dito, focus tayo. Ang i-factor out ko po is yung ating tawag dyan, 4x, di ba? Kasi same sila, merong 4x tsaka 4x. So, therefore, 4x, then dito is ang remaining natin is negative x. Dito ang remaining is positive 1. Okay? So, therefore, dito tayo focus kay 4, di ba? Kasi hindi na siya polynomial. Gets ba ninyo? Dito. Tingnan natin. Square root of 4x. So, si 4, pwede siyang ilabas. Pero pag 4x plus 1 yan siya, hindi malalabas si 4. Di ba? But in this case, wala siyang plus 1 or minus 1. Therefore, malabas natin si 2, remaining si x. Di ba? Ilalagay natin, nagiging negative 2 over, ayan, then 2x minus 1, 2. Kasi galing dito. Then the square root of x, then negative x plus 1. Again na, okay na to ng final answer. Okay na yan para sa akin. Pero if gusto mo talaga na i-simplify dyan, so cancel out, diba? Our final answer talaga is negative 1 over 2x minus 1, then the square root of x, negative x plus 1. Okay? So, screenshot po, that is our final answer.